were supposed to make the interview in English, so the knowledge that we need regards, as we did before, the stress intonation as well as the right pronunciation, the vocabulary, idioms and cultural-specific vocabulary. What about skills? We need receptive skills as well as productive skills, expressing ideas and point of view. And the interviewer should be able to compensate to avoid misunderstanding during the interview. Okay, because the interview is not something that you do with the person you are interviewing, but there is a big audience, a huge audience listening to you. Then you should be able to adopt mediation strategies because interviewer is not only supposed to ask for some questions, but to mediate, to summarize concepts for the audience listening, and inferring information from behavior and body language. Because the Mr. Bean we had before was really very talkative. What we saw from the movies is that he doesn't speak so much. He just, yes, it is the way he speaks. So it is very important. Then we should develop an attitude. We should have an attitude that is the right attitude to interview. Okay, the interviewer should be open-minded and to have the right attitude to carry out the interview. Okay, already acquired a competence that is a deep understanding of the present political, economic and social situation at home and abroad. It is what we planned in order to organize the activities. So we thought that we should guide the interviewer, that is the student, to perform the interview, guiding his work with the first activity. The first activity is focus on topics. The point is what Europeans want to know from Mr. Bean. So we should start with a brainstorming, collecting ideas, okay, which are random. Then the second step is to organize them, asking what comes first, what follows in a coherent way. So the brainstorming and the schedule, the outline, is the second activity. The third activity, that is the end of the case study, is to take these tips and to turn them into questions. And then the questionnaire is ready for the interview.
Oh, thank you, Marie-Thérèse. If there are any questions for this group? No? Thank you. This was the theoretical how it should be. Thank you very much. I should say capito.